morning, everyone. This is my first vlog ever, so please bear with me. My name is Mama Jury. I am going to prepare breakfast and lunch for my family. I'd like you to meet my son, Andrew. He doesn't want to show his face. I just don't know how to switch there. That's my son. He's enjoying the morning, watching his anime. What's the title of your anime, son? Haikyuu. Okay. I'll be back later. I'll show you what I'm cooking. Morning. Alright, this is how my meat looks like right now, since I am still trying to cook the meat properly. You will be seeing what I'll be adding. I actually sauteed this already with garlic and onion, and then I sprinkled a little bit of pepper, salt, and sesame oil, and what else? I forgot the other one, oyster sauce. I'll be adding ampalaya and cauliflower later, so stay tuned for that. Here, this is how the meat looks like when it's almost done. I just like to share while I was cooking with our gas stove, I ran out of gas. Perfect. So right now I'm using my ever dependable butane. Courtesy of my sister-in-law, Manang. So there, the ampalaya has been added to the pork mixture or pork meat, and when it's sort of almost cooked, we're going to add our cauliflower. So yeah, there we go. We'll wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, I've already mixed my pork meat, my ampalaya, my oyster sauce, salt, pepper, the works, oyster sauce, onions, garlic, and sesame oil. I also wanted it to taste and have some texture, so I also added cornstarch to it. So hopefully my kids will like it. See you soon with the finished product. Alright, here we go. Here's our finished product. I actually don't have a name for this dish yet, so if you want to help me out on what to call it, just feel free to subscribe to my channel and then click the bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a video posted on YouTube. By the way, I'd like to thank Viva Video for letting me use this app so that I can edit. Thank you, and have a good morning. Bye.